see if there's anything new here today. Which I just smelled a copperhead. If you guys don't know what a copperhead smells like, they smell like a really strong cucumber. That's what they smell like. I wish it hadn't started raining. I swear, that aggravates me so bad. I was really wanting to get in here and look around, but I don't think that I'm going to be able to do that. Probably the best I can do is just lay this stuff out so my equipment don't get wet. Lay my marbles out, I got them, and get out of here so my equipment don't get wet. There's a log I usually put my audio recorder in. I am going to post some of my audio here really soon. I do got some good stuff. I just ain't had time to really post it. I posted a little bit yesterday, but I took it down because I thought that maybe that it didn't sound good. I thought I could do better. So I'm going to try to post some audio up today. Let's look at this structure. Let's take a little look at it. Okay, we got, hold on, let me wipe the camera off. We got the stick right there, and then we got the big thing, big log that comes through there. And then we got those two. Got this one that comes down. And we got these two laid against this log. I heard a tree knock, like, I got this stuck in the ground. I heard a tree knock like 5 minutes ago, so maybe we'll get lucky enough to hear something. But I don't want to get my equipment wet. That's the thing. I'm not rich. I can't replace everything. I hear something over here. Can't tell what it is. Go walk around here and look for tracks. Maybe that's what we could do. Now remember, I don't got a lot of storage on my phone, so I can't make a gigantic video with my Osmo. Although my Osmo takes amazing videos. Look down there, how beautiful actually. It's so pretty down here. Okay. Put something behind me. I heard it again. Maybe a deer. Make sure we look up and make sure we're okay from the top too. I left you guys some marbles. I'm not sure where you're at, but I just want to let you guys know that. I'm getting soaking wet. So I'm going to go ahead and go home and wait for another day to venture down in there. I'm telling you, this place here, the audio that I got from here is unreal, and the footprints that I find here is unreal. This place is very active all the time. Look here. That footprint, look how big it is. So it's active like all the time. Glasses are so foggy and wet. I can't see what I'm doing. Let's walk over this way. If this doesn't download, I'm going to be so heartbroken. There's a big X right here. Let's go across the road. Let's look for tracks. Let's make this a part. This is part 1. Let's go to part 2. You'll have Well, I can't say y'all have a good day. I'll say it on the next one. This is part 1.